Welcome to the best picks. The best resistance bungee is probably one of the most effective and versatile tools for athletes looking to boost their speed and explosiveness. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your fitness journey, this innovative training equipment offers a unique approach to enhancing your performance by providing resistance that helps build strength and power, leading to significant improvements in your speed and agility. Number 5. Kbands Leg Resistance Bands. Kbands are resistance bands designed to boost speed and agility. They're perfect for athletes of all levels, helping you build strength and explosiveness. These bands help you increase hip strength and explosiveness, leading to improved performance. Experience the difference with Kbands. Easily integrate them into your existing routine. Use them with lunges, squats, and other hip and glute exercises for a more effective workout. The padded thigh bands provide comfort during intense training sessions. They won't roll or slip, ensuring a secure and effective workout. Get access to Speed 101, Leg Toner, Agility FX, and 123 Reaction Pro digital training programs. Download them to your device and train anytime, anywhere. Available in various resistance levels to suit athletes of all ages and abilities, from youth to advanced. Find the perfect fit for your training needs. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy a lifetime warranty on your Kbands resistance bands, giving you peace of mind. What we like. It comes with digital training programs to guide your workout. Its resistance levels are suitable for various ages and fitness levels. Plus, you get a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term value. If you are looking for a comprehensive training system with guidance and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. These bands are one of the greatest ways to build strength in your movements for your individual sprint, races, and even can be used for training for long distance. If utilized correctly, you can create explosive speed without ever using weights. Been looking for an alternative to ankle weights as they break easily and can hinder balance when training for speed? These have been fantastic. Followed the guide for different exercise, and used them with my agility ladder. I can definitely feel a difference in my agility and speed. They feel solid, like they will last, and resistance can be pretty strong with the thickest elastics. After a few days of usage, I already feel my legs getting stronger. Number 4. ASC Resistance Training Kit. It's time to take your training to the next level. This kit helps you build explosive power and improve your overall athletic performance. It helps you develop more power and achieve maximum velocity. You'll accelerate, decelerate, and re-accelerate faster than ever before. With 3 waist belt sizes available, it ensures a comfortable and efficient fit for athletes of all shapes and sizes. Find your perfect fit and start training. The 360-degree D-ring allows for multi-directional training. The included agility cones add versatility to your workout routine. With consistent use and dedication, you'll see improvements in your strength, speed, and agility. Get ready to achieve your fitness goals. It offers flexible training options. You can train alone by anchoring it to a sturdy object or with a partner for interactive resistance exercises. What we like. It allows training in any direction thanks to its 360-degree D-ring. The multiple belt sizes ensure a comfortable fit for various body types. The included agility cones add versatility to your training. If you need a versatile system for various training directions and body types, this is a great choice. What people say. Just about half of all of my workouts are done at the park. I tie this up around a tree, and do all of my tension band stationary sprints and hip thrusts like that. No marks around the waist and no misplaced motion. All of my movements are distributed evenly since the belt's ring moves around the belt, making all motions even. The belt is comfortable with a neoprene layer that does not slip and chafe. Works incredibly well and well made. Also useful to test swimming power and forward thrust. Stronger swimmers will be able to maintain a greater distance from the wall. The band is sturdy and perfect for conditioning. Number 3. Explosive Speed Training Kit. This speed training kit uses resistance to build power. When released, it helps recruit more muscle fibers for greater leg drive and speed. Dynamic resistance conditions your body to improve ground-foot strikes. This boosts your first step quickness and acceleration. It has a sliding ring and multiple attachment points, letting you train in any direction. It's perfect for real-world athletic movements. Simply fasten the belt around your waist and attach the strap. The double buckle and Velcro design fits youth and adults comfortably. Developed by athletes and trainers, it includes a training guide and video series. All parts are covered by a 1-year warranty. What we like. It offers resistance and release mechanism to build power and improve speed. You can train in any direction with its 360-degree design. It also includes training programs to enhance your workouts. If you value dynamic resistance training and a structured approach, this is a good option for you. What people say. The release latch is durable and releases on demand. This product is great for speed, agility, and explosive exercises. Very durable, easy to use, and delivers optimal results. The quick release strap makes speed and reactive training easier and far more effective than before. Number 2. Vikingstrength 360 degrees resistance band. Unleash explosive acceleration and break through your limits with this cutting-edge running resistance band. Get ready to dominate with every stride and feel the adrenaline surge as you reach new speeds. Engineered with unrivaled craftsmanship and durability, it's built for champions. This band will withstand even the most grueling workouts, helping you overcome obstacles and shatter records. It wraps around you like a second skin, delivering a customized fit that enhances your performance. The adjustable Velcro system ensures a snug, comfortable grip, providing optimal resistance and unrestricted movement. This resistance band is your armor, providing plush padding that supports your every move. Embrace the comfort and conquer new heights with unwavering strength. It's more than just a tool, it's a gateway to unparalleled training. Gain exclusive access to our Vikingstrength app for tailored workouts and progress tracking. Plus, receive a complimentary storage bag. What we like. It's built with durable materials to withstand intense workouts. The adjustable Velcro ensures a comfortable and secure fit. It also offers access to a training app for personalized guidance. If you prioritize durability, comfort, and personalized training, this is a great option. What people say. It has helped me with my balance, agility, foot speed, explosive acceleration off the line, and endurance. Solid, durable product. Bungee has protective covering. Belt is very comfortable, and I like how I can clip in at various angles, making this what I consider to be a true 360-degree system. Everything feels very high quality, so it does not feel like it will break under pressure, great for soccer, MMA, and football. Number 1. Intense Sports 360 Trainer. It helps athletes maximize strength, speed, and vertical jump. Build strength and explosive power to take your physical skills to the next level. It has a free motion ring for almost 360 degrees of movement. Train at virtually any angle, surprising your competition with your newfound speed and strength. Train solo, with a coach, or with teammates. Push your limits and become a better athlete. It offers up to 80 pounds of resistance and an 8 to 22 feet range of motion. It's used by professionals, and now you can experience the same level of training. It provides the tools you need to succeed, no matter your sport. Improve your power, explosiveness, and strength in soccer, football, basketball, and more. What we like. It provides high resistance for intense training sessions. The 360-degree design allows for multi-directional training. It also includes an ebook to guide your workouts. If you are looking for a high-resistance option with comprehensive guidance, this is a great option for you. What people say. Came quick and is easy to use and durable so far. One of the exercises that has been very beneficial is sidestepping with resistance, but I couldn't figure out a way to repeat the exercises at home. This device is exactly what I was looking for, and will help me graduate from PT to just working out at home. It works well. You can strap it to a pole or have a friend follow you. They recommend the maximum distance to be between 20 to 22 feet, so this isn't a full field sprint workout unless you have a friend staying about 20 foot behind you while you run. Great flexibility, the belt allows the resistance to rotate almost 360 degrees around you, just the space in the front where the buckle is that allow the complete 360. Solid construction. Very good product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.